An Asian driver in US was assaulted and cuffed upon by a woman who was not wearing a mask, riding with two other women after he refused them service. The driver, who recorded the incident, had asked her to follow Uber's masking policy. One of the women also pepper sprayed the driver, who came to US 8 years ago from Nepal. Subscribe to the channel for more news.